Before you pull the trigger on buying Harrie, there are a few things you absolutely need to know. This isn't just another run-of-the-mill software. It's a tool designed to make a real difference in your workflow, but only if it fits your needs. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether Harrie is the right choice for you, or if you should look elsewhere. First off, let's talk about ease of use. Harrie claims to be intuitive and user-friendly, and after testing it myself, I can confirm that it lives up to the hype. Compared to similar tools on the market, which often overwhelm users with complicated dashboards, Harrie's interface feels streamlined. Whether you're a beginner or someone with more experience, you can jump in without needing to spend hours learning the ropes. That's something you won't always get with its competitors. Next thing, let's dive into pricing. A lot of software companies offer similar features to Harrie, but they often come with a hefty price tag. What stands out about Harrie is its affordability, especially when compared to high-end products that promise similar results, but with extra costs that you may not need. And here's the kicker. You can try Harrie completely free from the first link in the description. That's right, no commitments, just a chance to see if it's right for you before making any investment. The third thing to keep in mind is customization. With Harrie, you get a decent level of flexibility when it comes to tailoring the software to fit your specific needs. Unlike some competitors that offer limited customization options, Harrie gives you the ability to personalize your setup. Whether you're looking to change workflows, create custom templates, or tweak certain settings, you've got the freedom to do that. The fourth thing you need to consider is the support. Now, we all know that customer support can make or break your experience with any software. I've tested Harrie's support, and they're not just quick to respond. They're knowledgeable and genuinely helpful. I've had situations where I needed assistance with some technical setup, and they were right there, providing clear answers and solutions. In contrast, some other services I've tried were frustratingly slow, or, worse, couldn't solve my problem at all. Moving on, the fifth thing to note is the integrations. If you're using other tools alongside Harrie, like CRM systems or project management software, you'll want to make sure they work seamlessly together. Harrie integrates well with several popular platforms, which is a huge bonus. I've personally tested it with a few common tools, and the process was smooth. Competitors in this space often have limited integrations, which can make your workflow more complicated than it needs to be. Now let's talk about the learning curve. Despite how powerful it is, Harrie does a solid job of breaking things down in a way that's easy to understand. The learning curve is much less steep than some of the alternatives, which often come with hefty manuals and confusing tutorials. With Harrie, you can get started quickly and dive into using it effectively without spending days on training. This makes it an attractive option for people who want to maximize their productivity without getting bogged down in endless tutorials. And last but not least, the updates. Harrie is constantly evolving. The company regularly pushes out updates that improve functionality, add new features, and enhance performance. I've used software in the past where updates were few and far between, leaving me stuck with outdated tools. With Harrie, you can feel confident that they're keeping up with the industry and delivering consistent improvements. So, if you're considering Harrie, there's no reason not to give it a try. Click the first link in the description to get the best free trial offer and unlock exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this chance to see if Harrie is the right fit for you. It's a risk-free opportunity that could save you both time and money.